Hi everyone, welcome back to DIY Geek YouTube channel. In this video I just want to make a quick video to install this shelf here. This is called Rev-A-Shelf, Rev-A-Shelf. This is a this kind of shelf right here is a wire basket kind of shelf, good for laundry application. Like for example right here I got one of them installed, and it just kind of clip here at the back. You see that there's a clip there, and in the front it goes in this tab right here. The system just hooks in right like that, and then this side also have a tab that hooks in that way right there, and then that tab right there. See if we can look at it easier. This tab right here goes in just like that, and once it's both in, it can easily come out, in, out, extends. Great for socks, clothes, whatever you want here inside a drawer to make it easier to access. And I'm gonna put the link in the description where you can order it. It's really easy to install, so I'm gonna install this one right here on the top. This one right here is, I have a water line at the back there that is kind of making it hard to stay there, but it's okay. Anyway, I had to use a 3/4 inch plywood, like a shim, to support this drawer slide right here. So there's just 3 components to this. There's a right side drawer slide, there's a left side drawer slide, and it comes with screws, a screw back like this, and the shelf itself, which is just basically that. And I'm gonna go through the process right now, show you how to quickly install this in about 10 minutes. Okay, so I'm going to put on this drawer slide right here, and there's just a hole there. I'm going to do the leveling later, so this is just a hole to hold this side first. Okay, once that is in, then I'm gonna take a level. And I'm going to take another screw out of the back so that I can get it ready to put it on the second hole. So there's just 2 screw holes for each drawer slide. Okay, so once again, let's do the leveling first. Make sure this is level. Okay, right about there. And let's try to hold it. And then put a screw right there. All right. Test it out. Here you go. Let's make sure this is level. Perfect. All right. So that's one side, and then we got to do the other side right now. Okay, so for the left side, I took a measurement using a small ruler like this. So I take the distance between this rail to the top of this rail, and the mark that I put in right here indicates where the top of the shelf rail needs to be. Okay, now with that in mind, we're gonna put the top of the this rail right there and to the line marker, and we're going to load our screwdriver and go ahead and put a screw inside this hole. There you go. And at this time it's not level yet, and then we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna take our level and we're going to put it here and then try to level this. Okay, while I'm doing that, I'm going to load my drill or power screwdriver with a screw, and once it's level, I'm looking at my level right now. Let's go ahead and put a screw right here. Okay, there you go. And that should be perfect right there. All right. All right, so next, all we have to do is just put on the drawer and test it out. So this goes on top like that, go all the way in. And then the tabs goes to this side and also that side right there. Perfect, there you go. The drawer is working, going in and out. I did that actually in a little bit less than 10 minutes. Okay, so all three shelves has been installed and they look good. They function really good. Let me show you. So just that one right there, the top one pulls in and out, second one, and it locks. There's kind of like a snap to it at the end, which locks it in place, which is nice. The only one that I have problem with is the center one because it's hitting against that water line at the back. But everything else kind of nicely locks in there, like that. Alright, so overall it's been pretty good. I'm gonna put the link in the description for Rev-A-Shelf or something similar. I think this Rev-A-Shelf you have to buy directly from them. I'm not sure. But I'm gonna put the link in the description. Thank you for watching this really quick video showing how to create a sliding shelf under 10 minutes each. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel to see more do-it-yourself video like these and support my channel. Thank you.